Want to draft in ESPN Fantasy Football? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. Here in the address bar you need to search for fantasy.espn.com. It will land you on this official page. Make sure you are logged in into your ESPN account. Once logged in, head over to Sign Up Football. In this page, simply move into the league that you have created before. Once you are inside the league, now what you need to do is swipe left and you'll see the option where it says Schedule Draft. Click on it. Wait for a while. Now you will need to select the draft type: offline, snake, linear, auto pick, or salary cap. Let me choose linear for now. Click on it. You can also change the draft settings. Once you are done, click on Save Changes. Now enter the password of your account. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. And there you go, the draft has been scheduled. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.